Hello everybody and welcome to Excel Made Easy. Well, this is your Excel guru today with a new formula called ABS. Yes, it is read as ABS, stands for absolute value. Well, it's a wonderful formula, can help you with a lot of stuff. Now, before we proceed further, my own pretty commercial. The file that you're watching is available, that we are doing today is available on this website, excelmadeeasy.weebly.com. Once you go to this website, you can simply go to the index. Yes, this is my website. Go to this training file index and you'll be able to download this training file from there, wherein you'll be able to play along, practice along, or just keep it with you as you choose. Okay, this is the important icon over here. But if you click over here, it will take you directly to my YouTube channel where all my videos are available. And yes, if you like the content, don't forget to click on the like button. Alright, now coming back to business. Alright, now the difficulty level for this is easy, and ABS, as I told, stands for absolute value. We'll have to see an example to over here to understand it more correctly. Now see, in this column I mentioned machine 1, machine 2, machine 3, and this is the required column which mentions the units that this machine has to produce. Now these units have to be exact 150. Now the actual units produced by this machine were machine 1 120, machine 2 190, and machine 3 180. So if you see the difference over here, it is 30, 60 and minus 30. Now just a brief thing, how did we get this difference? Another thing, how to subtract with Excel. What we did was we entered the is equal to sign over here, which is used to start any formula in MS Excel. Now once we moved over there, I chose the required field which says 150, then I put in the minus sign, then I choose the actual field which gives me this result. See, so we learned subtraction also, as simple as that. Now this is the error percentage. Now error percentage was calculated by dividing 30 by 150. Alright, I'll show you again. I'll put in the is equal to sign, I'll choose the difference column and the figure over there which is 30. I'll put in the divided by sign, I'll move to the amount from which I need to divide it by, and see, we get the result percentage 20%. Alright, now see, you are getting 30 over here as difference, 60 as a difference over here, and minus 30 over here. Now if you had to take an average out of it, alright, so would it be a correct average? Let us see. In my earlier videos I have told how to calculate average, so I will not be elaborating upon it. So this is how I'm putting it. See, it's giving you an average of 20. Alright, do you think that's a right average? Here is the correct formatting. This is the correct formatting, and we'll put in the same formula over here. Is equal to average, parenthesis open, selection of range, and this is the correct average. See, 40. Over here it is giving 20 because the machine 3 was required to produce 150 objects and it produced 180 objects, which gave a negative value of 30, hence a negative error percentage of minus 20. Now this negative caused the averages to go down. Hence, to correct this error, to correct this formatting problem with Excel, this is an inbuilt problem with Excel. So what we need to do is, whenever we have to make such kind of calculations, we will have to move into this type of thing. And if you see over here, I have done the regular minus format over here. C is equal to C11 minus D11. Over here again I've done I11 minus J11. Now this is I, this is a cell, the address is I11 because I is the column, 11 is the row. Alright, minus J11, J is the column, I is the row. oh sorry, j is the column and 11 is the row. So once I minus it, once I subtract it, it gives me the same result. However, if you see what have I put over here is equal to ABS, then parenthesis open. Yes, I'll show it to you. Is equal to ABS. See, what does it say? Returns the absolute value of a number without its sign. Hence, allowing you the freedom to calculate averages perfectly, calculate percentages perfectly. Is equal to, now we'll simply do what we are required to do, subtract 120 out of 150, and here comes the result. Same over here, see over here, this gave us a minus 30 sign. Over here there is no minus 30 sign. 150 is here, 150 is here in the required field. In the actual field we have 180, the actual field we have 180, but in the difference field we have 30. So we did magic by using ABS. So this was ABS formula for you. And now the second way of using this formula, as I tell in most of my videos, would be by going to the Excel ribbon, going to the formulas tab, going to insert function, and see, it is showing me this argument. Actually, since I have calculated, I was on a cell which was already having a formula built into it. So now I will type ABS over here. I'll click on go. See, it's not giving anything. Why? Because we need to submit this to Bill Gates. It didn't show anything, but when I clicked OK, it did show in the answer, not the answer but the formula. Now what it shows over here is just the number. You need to enter a number and it will return that number without a sign. However, as I told you about a more advanced feature that we can use ABS with other formulas built in. Like, I don't think so this would be the right way. Again, my feature, ABS bracket open, this minus this is the answer. So this is ABS feature for you. Once again, do not forget to go to my channel, my web page, in case you need to download this file. Do go to the website, and yes, here are the social websites linked. If you like it, please do go ahead, share it, like it, follow it as you do. Alright, so if you have any questions in Excel, do go onto this page, ask a question. My website's name is excelmadeeasy.weebly.com. Go to this web page, click on ask a question, and put in your comments over here or your question over here, and I'll try to revert back as soon as possible with a solution. Alright, getting back to my business. Alright, so this was the tutorial on ABS, absolute value, which returns the absolute figure without a sign, either a plus or a negative. This is the Excel Guru signing off. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy Excel learning.